a severe thunderstorm warning for western Spalding County in west central Georgia, Fayette County in north central Georgia. Times of the upper Southwest Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm stretched from Noonan to Peachtree City and are nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Noonan, Fayetteville, Peachtree City, Tyrone, Sonoy, Grantville, Brooks, Moreland, Sharpsburg, Turin, Harrelson, Woolsey, East Noonan, Stars Mill, Inman, Dunaway Gardens, Conongate, Madras, Arnco Sargent, and Vaughan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.